Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you, or rather, I want to demonstrate how to use a front load washing machine. This is what we're cleaning. It's not that dirty. I cleaned it I think 2 weeks ago. So I just want to use it to demonstrate to use the washing machine. If you don't know how to, my machine is 9 kg, a washer only. It doesn't have a dryer. So as you can see, there's a space for more. There's room for more. Yeah, it's well set. Now let's close the door. Let me bring you closer so that you can see what I'm doing. There we go. Now, the first thing to do is you switch on your power and then open the tap. Okay. The tap is on. Now you switch on the machine. I'm using this function, the bedding function. It has a steam function. And it's 1 hour 49 minutes. Now let's check the temperatures. This is where you set your temperatures. But because the temperatures are preset and I don't want to change that, the temperatures are preset at 30 and the speed is also preset at 800. I don't want to tamper with that. Now that we have all that set, we come here. Now this is our detergent compartment, and today I'm going to use, we have Parcel washing powder and Omo bleach and fabric softener from Star Soft or Stay Soft. Now let's continue. Let's put them now in this compartment. I'll use my powder detergent. In this middle compartment, this is where we put our fabric softener. And if you don't want to use fabric softener, you can as well put in vinegar. And this is where you can put in a bleach, you can put in a Dettol. I use disinfectant when I want to treat my clothes. So let's go ahead and put our products. So now that is done, we're going to close the compartment and start our wash. Please be sure not to overuse your product or not to put a lot of product. Anyway, now that is done, here it's well locked. You just press start. Our cycle is over. Now let's check the duvet. You can see it's clean, and I'm happy. And it will take a little time, maybe like an hour to dry completely. I think it's around 75-80% dry. So I will go and try it outside. It's very sunny, so it's going to dry very quick. And ladies and gentlemen, that is how you use a front load washer. Thank you so much for watching. If you have a question, you can ask down below in the comment. After the cycle is over, give the machine about 2 to 5 minutes before you open to get your clothes out. Just let it stay for 2 to 5 minutes. If you have other tips on everything wash machine, just leave a comment down in the comment section, and maybe it might help us, might help someone else somewhere. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay safe, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Bye.